Information technology is all about managing computer-based information systems. From programming and software development to help desk, network systems, web and digital communication, you will have many paths to choose from. When you prepare for an IT career at a Wisconsin Technical College, you'll study and use the latest technology firsthand, making it an outstanding investment in your success.
I like the confidence that I've gained over the years, the ability to look at a problem and be able to solve it.
Technical colleges are an ideal launchpad for a career in information technology. Constant advances in technology and the ever-expanding world of digital communications provide outstanding prospects for career opportunities. Our graduates have a very focused learning experience, so they are confident in their skills upon taking a job. Employers love that our students are ready to work from the start and appreciate all they can do.
Being in the technical college, it's a really direct connection between what you're learning and the career.
The classes are small, so the students really get to know their instructors. Falling down is not an option. Instructors are invested in their students' success. Classes are offered day, night, and online, providing the most flexible options. Do you have a future in computer technology? The technical colleges are the place to go if you want value, substance, comfort, and success. Find your passion and fulfill your potential today.